proper variable names are super important, especially if you're making a talking deck. And there are 9 of these. Okay. That's frustrating. I really prefer to have push to talk on, but I guess we'll just... You'll have to deal with my deviated septum and heavy breathing. This is annoying. So fucking annoying. So apparently in oh, and this is old because it should be let instead of var. I forgot about that. Let. And let's just do this. And then we'll do this. Now we'll try it. Why? Why? Okay. Let's... I swear to God, if it's... let's see. I need to find and replace let with var. Place all. Okay. Now what? Only expected a semicolon, so a dash. So I have to rename fine. Whatever. Jesus, why? Okay, line 14 is the first one. Missing use strict statement. Load image was used before it was defined. That's a P5 function. Shouldn't have to define it. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Let's start with nothing but getting... Let's just get the ding ding on the fucking screen. And then I called that function and then never used it, right? For RBG and function setup. Function, what am I doing? Okay. I need to preload, right? In the setup. Apparently, I'm bad at this. Okay, so define the variable, create the canvas, but before we create the canvas, define that okay. But background setup is defined in every, but it's P5. Look, if I cut all this shit out and I make this just black, do we just get a black screen? Wait, where's my, okay, yeah, there, look. Okay. Alright, so now let me turn that off, go to this one. Okay, let's just try and get the image on. So, fucking hell. Because the image itself has a green screen. So now, boom, ding ding. God damn, that was not, should have been way less work than that. Alright, let's remove a thing, then add a new thing, and that is we're just going to set that little guy there. Oh, he's already green screened. I don't even have to do... Sweet. Okay. So now... God damn it. What is wrong with me? Okay. So we've got our ding ding in the corner. Now... I mean, why was I trying to... I don't remember why I was trying to preload all of that. I don't even remember where I got that from, the function preload. Alright, orange soda. Get me going. So the next thing we have to do is reload in... reload in all those images. Fuck me. Okay. We're gonna give them more generic names. They're phoneme 1. Well, fuck, I have to declare those variables up here. Can I fucking JavaScript? If I let instead of cancel that, file, save, refresh. Let is a, I shouldn't have to use var. I should just be able to use let. For some reason, brackets wants fucking var. 1, 2. And I know I'm not putting the semicolon at the end of these. Okay. Now let's define all this. I wonder if it wouldn't be better to do this in a secondary, because I really don't want to have. Yeah, let's make my thought process is maybe do all the image loading in a separate script and then bring in, so that this isn't just like a huge mess of unnecessary code to wade through when, you know, someone's looking at it to just figure out how it works. By that I mean me, because I'm going to do this. I'm probably going to figure out how to get it to work and then not be able to do anything with it after that. Alright, I'm just going to put it in here. So, let's do this. Let's load image. Images slash. Okay. And we know we need 9 of those. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Apparently I didn't have number lock on. That's annoying. Okay, so now we just need to type in all this shit. And what these are is individual mouth shapes. As soon as I get this typed up, I'll show what I'm doing here. The idea is I'm going to make, I'm going to use libraries. And what this thing will do is it will do text to speech with cartoon mouths on our little YouTube buddy that match somewhat the phonemes, like the mouth shapes that one would make when they were talking, or approximately. It's not going to be perfect by any stretch. It's probably not even going to be close enough, but I'm hoping it'll be just shitty enough to be charming. Alright. I forgot to type a few PNGs there. Alright, there we go. Now, let's see if that broke anything. God damn it. What did I do? Did I type colons instead of semicolons? I did. God damn it, I'm an idiot. Hey, there we go. Dignity's back. Okay. Wait. It's throwing a bunch of errors here. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's throwing a bunch. These things are defined, but they're never used. Well, fuck. I'm just making sure nothing's broken before I use them. Calm down, brackets. Okay, so now what we'll do is let's just do a random one on draw. If I can remember how to do a P5 random, and by remember, you can look it up in the reference. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do the R equals random 1 through 9. Oh, no, it's... I think I'm getting tired already. And I think it's because I'm doing JavaScript. I can't... Is there a space in JavaScript? They're showing spaces on the site. Okay, well, that's fine. Python, there's no space between the comma and the... Anyway, R equals random. Oop. Random, so random. And there's no space between random and there. Okay, so mouth equals I forgot how to display an image now. Back. Oh. Reference and image. Image. To just display an image. Okay. So mouth equals. Oh, we'll just do this. Image. We need a list, or it's not called a list in JavaScript. It's called a something or another. It's not that. And I don't know if the thing I'm going to do is going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. It'll display 0, 0. Here we go. Mouth equals a whatever this is called in JavaScript, and it is BG in the 0 position, and then P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, and P9. P9. Okay, there we go. Now, I equals a random from 0. Wait, no, we want to go 1 to 9 because we don't want, okay. So let's bring this back up and save. You what, mate? And it broke. Let's see here. I have to define fucking. This is something that that programming languages do, and granted, I'm new to this, so there may be a legitimate reason for this to have to be a thing that I'm just not aware of. But this is a thing that programming languages do that pisses me off because, as far as I can tell, it makes no sense. I should just be able to declare a variable when I need to make it. I shouldn't have to declare it somewhere else unless, like, I don't need I to be a global variable, so I should be able to declare I right here as just I equals. I shouldn't have to like, it's annoying. It should be fine. It really should. Like, that should just work. I don't understand why mouth is not defined. Mouth is an empty array. That's the word I was looking for, array. Do I have to call that a variable? It's not a variable, it's a goddamn... It's still not working. So basically, I've made a green screen deck that sits there and does nothing. Background is not defined. Background is defined. You know what it is? I think ESLint 16, JSLint 23. I think part of the problem is, let's look at this. Okay. P5JS. Okay. At P5 image. Huh. 18279. That's the sketch. Okay. It's saying it cannot read the property of width. Where it should be able to. So I think it's talking about this. Oh, for the love of fuck. Maybe I should have just done this in Java. Do I hate myself enough to do this in Java? Possibly. It is possible. Okay, let's make it work again. Let's let's do it. Well, I just want to see what it does. Auto fix with ESLint. I was surprised it's still broken. I started to make one of these in P3 Python. Oh, here's the mouth shapes. I can give you a sense of that. For the love of fuck. It'll just display a mouth on the ding ding when he talks, which is the next thing. Hopefully. I made one in... Oh, for the love of fuck. I can't just open a fucking sketch. Fucking God damn it. I'm... $40 minutes. I've accomplished nothing in 40 minutes of messing with processing stuff except to get a dick on the screen. I know it's me. I know I'm doing whatever it is wrong. Still not working. Okay. Oh, I don't have that turned on. Okay. Oh, well, I got my ding ding back. I should be able to lay an image over the top of another image. I mean, it doesn't make any sense that you wouldn't be able to do that. I mean, I sure as hell don't want to go back and have to use a ding ding for each phoneme and then change. I want the ding ding to be constant, otherwise it's going to cause I know it's going to cause a flickering issue, even though P5 is, I think it's native 30 frames per second on the redraw. It's really frustrating. Apparently I need to do some more research. But I guess that's it for tonight then. I have failed. But tomorrow night will be a not fail. I will get it fixed if I have to start messaging friggin' Dan Schiffman myself. I mean, not that anybody else would do it, but whatever. Good night.